Hi and welcome to cheekyricho Spaetlze. It is a homemade pasta, really simple to do. To our Thermomix jug we're going to add 3 eggs, our 175 grams yogurt. We're going to add a good pinch of veggie salt, about ½ a teaspoon, and we're going to send in some cracked pepper as well, about ¼ teaspoon of that, and 200 grams of plain flour, all-purpose flour. We're just going to mix this until it is well combined, then we're going to put the knead function for a couple of minutes. So just on speed 2 until that's all mixed together. Okay, we just scrape down the sides, make sure that the dry ingredients have fallen down to the bottom, and now we're going to put it onto the knead function for 3 minutes. The dough function for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes later, our batter is finished. We're just going to remove it now. You can see it's really quite like a pancake batter. I'll tip it into a bowl. That's the consistency that you're after. So it's got no real flavour at this stage. It's just 3 ingredients. Okay, now we're going to wash the jug out and then fill it up with some boiling water. I'm going to make our Spaetzle. Okay, jug's washed. In with our water now. We're just going to bring that to the boil. Put the lid on. Temperature, aroma, and we just need to bring it to that temperature, however long that takes. Okay, after about 4 minutes it's actually come to a boil. We're going to remove the measuring cup and turn it to the reverse and soft spoon. So we're just going to have it going really slowly there. Can you see that? Now, this is the aroma. We pop that on top. Brush it with some oil, do it on both sides so that the Spaetzle doesn't stick to it. And now we're just going to set the timer for 5 minutes. It's on Varoma, and we're going to just spread some of our batter in there and force it in with the spatula. And what that will do is make little worms. So send a bit in there, force it backwards and forwards. As it hits the water, it will be cooking. Just give that a couple of minutes. We're going to check that one that's all the way through. Spread some more oil on the Varoma. And you can see all the little worms in there. Once they've come to the surface, we're going to scoop them out and keep them in a warm place while we continue with the rest. Okay, they've all risen to the top now. We're just going to turn it off. Give it a stir and remove them with a slotted spoon. See how they're all cooked up? Them into those little black spots you can see are actually the pepper. We're just going to drain that. And continue with the rest. Back on with the lid. Back onto speed reverse and soft spoon. And we want it at 100 degrees. Put this back on. Rub it with some more oil and continue with the rest. Just force that through. You're going to have to put this straight into some water because it's actually going to try and cook on. And how quick is that? Okay, once we drain these, we're going to fry them off in some butter with some salt and pepper and serve them with our veal goulash. And how simple is that? It's the easiest pasta you've ever made. Okay, we've got a non-stick pan here. I'm just using the Flavour Chef because it's very easy to use. We're going to put some butter in there, and then we're going to fry off our little Spaetzles with some salt and pepper and serve them with our goulash. Okay, in with some butter. It's on the high heat. Now we're just going to fry this in batches because we're freezing the rest. Pour our Spaetzles in. And there's like little worms. We want to evaporate all that excess moisture out of them, and we'll be serving them with our meat dish. Okay, we're just going to remove our Spaetzle now and do our next batch ready to serve.